Hi everybody, my name is Gloria. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm here to share with you my new purchase, my Rattan LF 750W e-bike. I made my purchase through electricbikeparadise.com. The support staff is just excellent. I'm so proud that I purchased my bike from this company because they make sure that everyone is satisfied, and I mean completely satisfied. So, as you can see, I'm a senior. I'm 68 years young, and I'm enjoying riding my bike as much as I possibly can. So, congrats to me, and congrats to anyone else that makes their purchase from electricbikeparadise.com.
If you want reliable bikes at a low guaranteed price, hop on to Paradise now. Visit us at electricbikeparadise.com, buy your dream bike on our website, and join our family of satisfied customers. We will ship your bike for free and give you exclusive promos and freebies.